to start on a new crochet unit. The hair I'm using today is from Harlem 125. It's their brand new 14-inch Kima Braid Ocean Wave, and this hair comes in mixed colors but no ombre. So I decided to see if I can try and create an ombre unit using colors 1B, 4, and 30. I've installed about a pack and a half of color number 30, and now I'm ready to start blending in the darker color number 4 and 1B. I'm using very small pieces, about this size. I'm just gonna start blending those in to create the ombre effect. I am looping once and then taking tiny strands from either side and tying those off. Tying them off about 3 times. With one pack of color number 4 installed, I am now using a razor comb to trim and blend that in with the color number 30. And here's my unit after adding some of the color 1B in the front and top. So now I just have this one section left in the very top to complete. I'm going to go ahead and fill that in, and I'll be back to try my unit on. Please stay tuned. So here's my completed unit. I think it turned out really well. I really like this hair. It's nice and light. This unit is a lot lighter than some others that I've made. Again, the hair I used was from Harlem 125. It is their brand new 14-inch Ocean Wave, a shorter length of the classic Kima Braid Ocean Wave, and I used about 4 packs, almost 1 pack of 1B, a full pack of color number 4, and about 2 packs of color 30. I purchased some of the hair online at samsbeauty.com and some at my local beauty supply store. Thanks so much, as always, YouTube, for watching. I really do appreciate it. If you haven't subscribed already, click that crazy looking picture of me down in the right hand corner and subscribe. I will be posting another video this weekend, so check back for that. Any questions or comments, anything I didn't touch on in this video, please post those below. I will get back with you. I am out for now, YouTube. But you know what I always say, be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.